Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Alex and this is the Car Creative, and today is going to be a really good day. First off, it's my birthday, so that's a great start to any day. But second off, today I'm doing something very exciting and I'm gonna wait to show you what it is unless the description already said it, in which case you know. But it's very exciting and something I've been working very hard towards, so today is the day that that's happening, and it just so happens that it landed on my birthday. So very exciting things. So I'm gonna go get ready for work, and then after work we're gonna go do something very cool, likely get a car. Also, look how nice my wife is. Sorry, I just got out of the meeting. I'm like so excited. I'm getting a freaking Tacoma. Gah! We're doing upgraded wheels, sideboard thing. We might do a 3-inch lift. We got 3M guys. Like, this is so freaking exciting. I don't know why people don't get like more excited about this stuff. Like, you see YouTubers or whatever. I don't know if you watch other car YouTubers, but they drive like Lambos and they're like, okay, so we're just looking at a new Lambo. But like, guys, cars are cool. This is so exciting. We've got a few days till the vehicle's actually going to be ready for delivery, but holy smokes, am I just stoked. So I'll bring you guys along for that, and that's going to be a good day. Yeah, so I'm sorry this video is like just kind of all over the place, but man, I'm just blown away by like this moment. You know, this is one of those moments that you've been working so hard to get to, but maybe don't actually expect that you would. And I made it. Not that this is the end goal, but man, this is like one of those moments that you're like, okay, we're doing this. This is cool. So essentially, what my story is that I've been working as a videographer, photographer for a school for the last 8 years. And through that job, I have learned as a full-time videographer and photographer how to light interviews, how to shoot B-roll, how to use great cameras. They provide me with amazing cinema gear, you know, Sony cameras, Canon cameras for video, and they just have blessed me by having the opportunity to learn in that job. About 2.5 years ago, I decided to kind of take some of these skills that I know and transition them into doing car photography and videography, because I love cars. Cars are fun, cars are cool, they look amazing. So for the last 2.5 years, starting by photographing my 2006 Honda Civic, learning how to use a polarizer filter on my dumb Honda Civic, transitioning that into the Nissan Rogue, that's my wife's SUV right now, and starting to see kind of some traction and people saying like, hey, you're actually kind of good at this, and then like watching tons of YouTube videos like what you guys are doing and learning how to do it better through some opportunities and through some people. I've been given the opportunity to work for South Point Toyota and do car photography and videography for them. I run their social media channels. I've created videos for them on a monthly basis and sometimes more. And they've given me a really amazing opportunity to work with them, and now with Country Hills Toyota as well. So I work with them on their social channels, creating content for them essentially full time, while still maintaining my other full-time job. The amazing thing about today, what happened today, is it's the culmination of a lot of people that care about me, people that are in my corner, that see my value, that see my skill, that see what I'm doing, they see that I'm progressing. They see that the work that I produce is quality and that it's doing good things for their company, that they see that, hey, like, we can work with this and let's see where we can take this next. And that's what I've been proposing to South Point Toyota and Country Hills Toyota with this partnership. And well, yeah, that lands us at today. So this here is a lease for my brand new 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Woo! And I think we're gonna do some upgrades. We're gonna put some wheels on, we're gonna lift it, we might do a little bit more, who knows. But I am just absolutely so stoked to be working with South Point and Country Hills Toyota to continue creating amazing content for them. And this is just one more way that we get to do it on a more. We just get to create more. So I am unbelievably excited. I am so stoked to be here today, to have this crazy idea that, hey, like maybe I could propose like getting a vehicle with them and working with them and doing this and that. And they said yes. What? So it's just cool. It just feels, I'm just excited. I'm just rambling. So to all you guys who have, you know, been on my Instagram or been here on my YouTube, I just want to say thank you to you. I want to say thank you to everyone that has supported me up to this point. Obviously want to thank South Point and everyone that works there. Brandon Potts, you're just the freaking man. I'm just so thankful for everyone that has helped me on this journey to get me where I am today. Yeah, just grateful for where we're at. Guys, you can look forward to so much more content, hopefully in the new year, now that I'll have a vehicle that I can shoot with. You guys probably didn't want to see 2006 Honda Civic, so I now will have a vehicle that I can teach you guys how to shoot with, that I can go do shoots with, take to beautiful places, and I'm just stoked. This is gonna be a good year. I've got lots of ideas on what I can teach you guys, what I can do with that vehicle, so let's go. Let's go, come on, like I'm just pumped, so pumped. So yeah, I am likely gonna be picking the Tacoma up on Friday, so stick around for that. I might just do a delivery video, see what that day turns out to be like, but stick around. I'll definitely be doing a review on that vehicle, but what I will mostly be doing is photographing, videoing, and just taking so much content with that vehicle and other Toyotas that are at South Point and Country Hills. And hey, if you want, go follow them too, because all the content that they post on their social channels, I make it. So if you guys want to help me out, go over to South Point Toyota and Country Hills Toyota YYC. Just like all their stuff and comment and share and whatever. I'll see it. I'll be there. I'm the guy that's on it being like, hey, so that'd be really cool. But for the most part, guys, I'm just so grateful that you are here right now. If you enjoy what I do, if you want to watch more of my YouTube videos, just like hit subscribe, whatever the YouTube thing is. Just guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This opportunity is because of you as well. So yeah, cheers. We'll see you guys in the next one.